Hey guys, Chef Hawks here again. So today we're going to be talking a little about cast iron. So we have some griddles, we have some skillets, and we also have some Dutch ovens that we use that are all made out of cast iron. Cast iron is great because it's very heavy. It's a good thick layer which can hold and retain a significant amount of heat. And because of that, it distributes the heat very evenly as well. Whereas sometimes if you're using aluminum or if you're using stainless steel, then that heat has some hot patches and some cooler patches within your cooking equipment. With cast iron, once you heat it up, it takes time to heat it up, so you have to allow that time. But once it hits that temperature, you're good to go. It's going to maintain a great temperature all the way through cooking to get good, even cooking. But we have to take care of it. We have to maintain it. As part of that, one of the problems we can have is corrosion and rust. So we have to make sure when we're cleaning it, that we're effectively cleaning it, but then we're also protecting it as well. So let's see how we do this.